Thank you very much indeed, and welcome to Bristol. The weather's always like this in Bristol, as you probably know, but it is a particularly glorious day and an auspicious one for this 40th anniversary event. These are interesting times, as they say, and particularly for this city as a, if you like, a microcosm for many phenomena around the world. It's at a turning point in its political history, having bucked the national trend and voted for a mayor to lead the city, or to, in the words of the referendum, to lead the city council, which is an altogether different and less interesting question. But happily the city voted positively, and that turning point will be mirrored in many ways in the world of higher education. And in English higher education, we're in the midst of a rather thrilling experiment in which the fee environment is dramatically shifted. The scope of competition between universities for students is dramatically shifted, and we don't know what's going to happen. So in that context, expectations and conditions in which universities operate are markedly changed. On the research side of the house, similar changes are afoot. The expectations of our research community, both in what it achieves, but in particular how it engages with society at large, how it achieves innovation or enables innovation in society and in the economy, is at the heart of government policy and of expectations of universities right around the world, for that matter. And it's clear that the role of this journal is not out of line with that set of expectations. The crosstalk between theory and practice, between research and deployment of policy, is at the heart of what the journal's about and at the heart of what society expects universities to be about. The University of Bristol certainly is in the heart of this mix, playing a key role in this rapidly changing city as demographic, political, economic, social, environmental and cultural changes are afoot all around us. And I'm proud that the university is so deeply embedded in that change. For example, our head of our School of Policy Studies is even now tweeting the content of this meeting to the outside world. I can see you doing it from here, Alex. Has personally engaged in the debate around the mayor, and our Faculty of Social Sciences will be hosting a festival of social science in November. The centrepiece of the first day of which is another debate around the role of the mayor in this city at this time. Now, I wouldn't pretend that this is anything other than a microcosm of the issues that researchers in the social sciences and in policy and politics fields in particular are embracing. But the interplay, the dynamics of political life and policy making and university life is in flux right across the planet at the moment, and at all scales, from the local to the global. So I wish you well in your discussions and debates and presentations on these topics over the next 3 days. It's terrific to see such a lively and dynamic community here in Bristol for this event from so many parts of the world. I hope that the debate and discussion is as fruitful for you as it appears to be on paper at the outset. And I thank you for coming to Bristol, and thank the Policy and Politics for providing the forum in which we can have these discussions. I wish you well, and thank you very much.